Conversion for Lightning number 10, Hannah Rowland. It's Loughborough Lightning 7.
Disadvantage of Dad not knowing this sport. I wasn't quick enough.
Lightning number 2, Catherine Schrader.
The Samoan kind of rest the back row, the Samoan back row, that's it.
Hat-trick of tries for Loughborough Lightning number 2, Catherine Schrader. With the conversion for Leicester, number 13, Meg Jones brings the score at half-time in this East Midlands derby to Loughborough Lightning 7. Claire Gallagher. Number 13, Meg Jones. Leicester Tigers take the lead. 2 points the difference. It's Loughborough Lightning. In the lead, Loughborough Lightning 17, Leicester Tigers 20.